Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and bookmark this playlist. Your annual donor report arrived 3 months late. It was built from fragmented spreadsheets. Your development director wrote the stories from memory. And when the board asked, "Why did renewal rates drop again this year?" you already knew the answer. That's not a storytelling problem. And it's not a design problem, it's a data problem, and it starts months before the report is ever written. Here's how most nonprofits build a donor impact report. Development team scrambles in March to compile data from October. Program staff dig through survey exports and email threads. No unique IDs. Qualitative feedback locked in inboxes. By the time the report reaches donors, the narrative feels like revisionist history. Donors can tell. The numbers make it concrete. 80% of donor reporting time goes to preparing data, not creating insight. Organizations without personalized reports retain 40 to 50% of donors. Those with specific stories retain 70 to 85%. That gap is millions of dollars in recurring gifts that walk out the door. A great donor impact report isn't a document, it's a relationship asset. It opens with what the donor specifically accomplished. It proves impact with data and named stories. And it ends with, "Here's what's next, and we need you." Renewal rates don't just improve, they compound. Sopact's intelligence suite maps directly to every layer. Intelligent Cell extracts stories from qualitative responses. Intelligent Row builds individual participant profiles. Intelligent Column calculates pre-post outcomes. Intelligent Grid assembles everything into board-ready reports. The report isn't built after the fact, it's already there. Report 1, Girls Code Workforce Training. 87% completion rate, $18.50 starting wage, 94% retention. It includes a transparent challenge section acknowledging mental health costs. The result? Donor renewal jumped from 62% to 81%. Not because numbers were perfect, because the story was honest. Report 2, Scholarship Fund. Web-based with an embedded video and live dashboard. 93% scholar retention versus 67% institutional average. AI analyzed essays to predict support needs. Messaging precision powered by data led to a 34% increase in donor engagement. Report 3, Boys to Men Tucson. It tracks emotional literacy, vulnerability, and belonging. 76% reported feeling more comfortable sharing, a 20% year-over-year increase. Qualitative reflections linked directly to quantitative outcomes via Sopact Sense, making invisible outcomes visible. Report 4, the HIM initiative. It asks, how did participants transform their communities? 40% reduction in behavioral incidents. Aligned to UN Sustainable Development Goals. This format attracted systems change funders that traditional reports couldn't reach. Community-level reporting unlocks community-level funding. 4 programs. 4 formats. 1 pattern, specific outcomes over vague activities, named participants over aggregates, transparent financials, and data that stayed connected so the report was already there. Donors renew because the report made them feel like investors in something real. The organizations with 80% retention are building better data systems, so the report writes itself. Sopact Sense makes that shift possible. Stop reporting, start retaining, book a demo today.